name is Zagana Pota. I'm from Almaty region, Karatal district, town Shtore. Study at the school of Zabikin Rimova. I'm in ninth grade. I like to learn English language because it is a language of the future. And in my opinion, English is a very interesting language. To my happiness, chemistry, physics, and computer science are taught in English. And it helps our country to be advanced. Helps you get acquainted with foreign guidance and study the subject in depth.
Today we will learn about water. What do you know about water?
Water is common compound, room temperature, odorless, colorless, and liquid.
Yes, excellent. Can you say a formula of water?
H2O.
H2O, yes. Now we will make a molecule of water. For example, it's a molecule campaign atom combined from molecule. Now take one atom. It's oxygen. It's atom. Take two molecules. It's molecule of water. It's oxygen. It's hydrogen. Water include one atom oxygen and two atom hydrogen.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
Hello, can I help you?
I would like to know about ICT.
Oh, really? Sit down, please. Now, now is 21st century and we must know about new information technology and I would like to tell you and to show you about robots. You see, we have a lot of sensor spots and we must collect robots from Lego constructors.
Oh, thank you. I understand everything. I think the next lessons I will collect robots from Lego constructors.
Of English course, my students have begun interest physics and speak in English better. My student Abena Potar is participating in Switzerland project and she has chosen subject science and she is learning in English